Hi, welcome to Websites Tools. Websites Tools offers you 24 different pop-ups to boost online conversion rates and sales for your online business, e-commerce, and Shopify Store. So today I'm going to show you how to add Websites Tools pixel code to your Shopify Store. So let's first quickly dive into this video. First, you're going to go to your site, www.websitestools.com, and click on the login. If you haven't created an account, then you can create an account by clicking on register. Just have to use your email ID and you'll be ready in a jiffy. You don't need a credit card to get a free account, and you can do this with a free account. So I have already created an account here. So I'm quickly going to go into my login dashboard. And as you can see here, now I'm in my login dashboard. All right. So the first thing that you need to do is to hit on create a campaign. So when you hit create a new campaign, you have to give the campaign a name. So in this case, I'm going to just give it WBT Fashion. All right. So that is the store, Shopify store that I have created. So I'm just going to do that. Then I got to add the domain, the URL of the Shopify store. So I'm quickly going to go here and grab this code. All right, come back here. Right, here you go. For toggle this includes subdomains as well. Suppose you have other pages inside the store. Hit create. All right. So once you hit create, you get this pop-up called install pixel. Now what you do is you just copy this pixel code here, uh, copy it. All right. So this and as it says very clearly, paste the following JS code snippet before the end of the head tag of your website. So now we're going to go into our Shopify store. All right. So I have created this demo Shopify store called WT Fashion. All right. So it's just loading up here, as you can see. All right. So this is a demo store right here. All right. And as you can see there, I have created some test pop-up. And I also did a transaction to see if that pop-up shows up. So this was the demo test pop-up, and then this is the real-time transaction that I did, which is just showing up below the first pop-up. All right, so now let's go into Shopify login page. I mean, once you log into your Shopify store, then you come into the home page dashboard. All right, so then you come under online store, click on online store, and then go to themes. All right, so once you hit themes, then you come to actions, click on edit code. So then you quickly see edit your themes file. So this is a very easy way. You don't need any coding, you don't need knowledge for any programming languages, and you don't even need the help of any developer or a marketer. You can do it by yourself. So now we're just quickly going to click on theme liquid. All right, there you go. So once you come into this part, you're supposed to place the code in between the head tags, the open and the close head tags. So I have already pasted this code right here, as you can see, pixel code for HTTPS websitestools.com. All right, so this code is pasted right here. So I've already done that. Once you paste the code, hit save, and that's it. And now you're ready. And any notifications that you create inside websites tools dashboard, they will start showing live on your Shopify store. Whether you create one or 20 or 50, you never ever have to come back and do anything else on your Shopify store. Everything else needs to be done inside of your website's tools dashboard. If you need any help, you can hit the FAQs or the help desk and get access to all the frequently asked questions and our knowledge base for every configuration, for every pop-up that you need. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it and like it. Thanks a lot.